Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now welcome back to the channel. You join me here at the project office of Bahari Yetu. It's outside my house. I've been grinding it, painting it, prepping it, putting oxide primer on it for the last 2 or 3 weeks. This is a build update. And we're almost there, we're getting there. I need another week or 2 on this particular little project. It's mine. I like to do a little bit of manual work in between saving the planet. You know, I'm a bit crazy. And then we'll take a little site visit after this. We'll go check it out. The boys have been hard at work building the old project office site and Seagrass Center. We're going to call it the hub. We're going to call it the hub moving forward. Marine hub before the Seagrass Center is built. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we've got her on plinths at the moment so she doesn't rust. This is the same design as what we're going to do at the site. It essentially allows air to circulate underneath the container. We're not going to get any rust. I'm going to have to prep this bottom level here, which is a very difficult area to do. And then we are going to... Oh, yes. What else? No, we've got a slight issue with regards to safety and also movement of the container. So I'm going to develop a way to secure the container to the plinths. We've had to stop moving the container just at the moment, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Anyway, it's not quite ready yet. Now I like to grind stuff. Inside, very clean inside actually. I've got a good one. Yeah, nice and clean inside. Good clean walls. Don't need much doing in there. That's basically half of the stuff in my house. Because I don't sit down a lot, so I don't need a settee. But basically inside is done, which is fabulous. So it'll be good to go soon. Yeah, anyway, site visit, let's go. Maybe, good morning. Mambo! Maybe. Inshallah. Mambo. Yeah, go on, quick one. We must look funny. A big Muzungo in the back of this bike. Crazy Muzungo. Oh, yeah. I thought you were gonna get us in. I like a cow. Ngombe. Nyang ngombe. Better sound. Me? Yeah. Fish. Samaki. Oh, dogs. Yeah. Big dogs.
Maybe later when you get everything at your place, you can try to do
Some dogs. Goat. No, I hate goats. Oh, no. Sipendi. Goats. Sipendi mbuzi. When I was a child, a goat was very nasty to me. It tried to have sex with me. I hate goats. I like goat meat. Mbuzi nyama napenda, but mbuzi,
I want to keep them.
no. I want to beat them up. I hate them. It was a big goat. All right, look at how sexy this is.
Nice.
All right, you've joined me on the plot. I'm here with the boys, Abdul and Yusuf. We've had some major developments. We've got the wall in. We've got the first boundary wall. This will allow us to, we'll have the Seagrass Center over there. But the major development here is the plinths for the container. Nkuba kazi na rafiki hapa. Asante kaka. Asante sana. All very nice and level. The boys have been working really hard. They've been working really hard. We're just stopping construction for the moment. We were going to put in this next boundary wall here, but we were worried about getting the container in and then destroying the boundary wall. So we're going to wait till the container's done. And then we can crack on. We have a nice little working area there, so we can have like classrooms and teaching area here, just there at the front. Anyway, there's the corals. Magic. All right, so what we're looking at here is a site plan. The site plan, obviously, that's the plot for the Marine Hub Seagrass Center. Well, the full build update is we constructed the wall along the road. Basically, that's what you saw during the video. And then the plinths for the container or the Seagrass Hub was installed. Ready for the container to be moved to site. The bit we're missing is that little yellow line by the container. That's basically because we don't want to move the container while the wall is built, because we might destroy the wall. The truck won't be able to get in. So we're going to wait until the container is finished. And then where are we at? Oh, yes, we're going to have fresh water on site. So there's going to be a water tower. And that's the blue dot. And then the green dot, no, the yellow dot. That is a lovely old tree stump right in the middle of the plot. We're going to make some sort of feature out of it. Not 100% sure what yet, but it'll be delightful. And then the white lines, they are, that's basically going to allow their walls, Fumba walls. So it's going to be a retaining wall, which will allow us to backfill all the way up to that point. And then from there, we can put in foundations and drainage and water tanks and electricity and all that sort of stuff. When we start building properly, that wall will allow us to create the rest of the site, but that'll be in phase 2. So yes, that's pretty much where we are now. Another couple of weeks, get the container prepped nice and pretty, make sure everything's delightful, and then we can get her over to site.